Hello friends, this is a UVC sterilization robot. It has two modes, automatic and manual. In automatic mode, the robot automatically detects the obstacle and avoid obstacle. And in manual mode, we can control this robot by our smartphones. And this video is about how I made this robot. So let's get started. For making this robot, first I designed a PCB and printed in JLC PCB. This is a Atmega 328 based robotic PCB. This is the completed PCB and you can see a voltage regulator, reset switch, Atmega 328 crystal, L29 3D motor driver and dedicated slots for ultrasonic sensors and also Bluetooth module. I'm using N20 Metal Gear motors and its brackets. All parts link is in the description. First I fixed the motors to robotic PCB using nut and bolt. Next I attached wheels to the motor. Now you can see the robot is not balanced. To balance that, I attached a caster wheel. Next I connected the positives of 3 IR modules to the positive and grounds of the 3 IR modules to ground. Output of each IR module I connected to pin D7, D6 and D8. Next I attached a switch to pin D12. Then I placed the Bluetooth module in socket. After that I took foam sheet and cut into small pieces for making a box. Then I made some holes in foam sheet. Then I fixed the LEDs on that holes. After that I placed the IR modules. Do the same as me. One for front, one for left and one for right. I glued everything together and that's it. All schematics, codes and complete tutorial available in my blog. Link is in the description. So hope you enjoyed and learned something from my video. If so, please like, share and subscribe. All up to you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.